Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Instagram crashing. If you're getting this type of issues, today I'm going to show you the solution to it. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just head over to your Play Store and type in Instagram. Once you found Instagram, you need to make sure that you have it updated to the latest version, because with each update they add new fixes. They help you out with existing problems, and maybe they'll solve your crashing issues by updating the app. Another thing that you need to do is just head over to your app settings, but by just hitting the settings button, heading over to apps. Now you should find Instagram. I'm just going to scroll down until I find my Instagram. And once you found it and opened it, here what you need to do is just hit force stop. Now it says it may cause errors, but it will also might fix your problems, because it's basically restarting the app from the beginning. You won't lose your account or anything, just for stopping it, the whole process. And now your Instagram should be working in theory, but in case it still doesn't work, what I recommend you to do is just head over and reinstall the app. But the solutions that I just showed you should fix your Instagram issues, and you shouldn't have any more problems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one, guys.